Money didn't start as coins, it didn't start as gold, and it definitely didn't start as numbers on a screen. Before wallets, banks, credit cards, and stock markets, humanity used some very strange things as money. This is the story of how our world went from seashells to digital dollars. Welcome to the History of Money, Crazy Facts Edition. Long before coins existed, people traded what they had: grain, tools, animals, salt. Salt was so valuable that the word salary comes from sal, meaning salt. Yes, Romans literally paid soldiers with salt bricks. In ancient China, people used knife-shaped coins. In ancient Mesopotamia, clay tablets recorded debts that lasted generations. People were literally born owing money. Money didn't begin with wealth. It began with survival. For over 1,000 years, one of the most powerful forms of money was a seashell called cowrie. Cowries were used in Africa, China, India, and even the Maldives. They were small, durable, hard to fake, perfect money. Some kingdoms grew rich not from gold, but from seashells. Imagine buying a house with something you could find on the beach. On the island of Yap, people used enormous stone discs called rhinestones. Some weighed 4 tons. They were so heavy that transactions happened verbally. You didn't move the money. You simply said, "That stone is mine now." One stone even fell into the ocean during transport, and they still counted it as money. It might be the first example of online banking. Around 600 BC, the Kingdom of Lydia, in modern Turkey, created the first standardized coins. They used electrum, a natural mix of gold and silver. For the first time in history, money didn't depend on reputation or memory. It could now be counted. Coins brought armies, trade routes, empires, and corruption. Humans immediately invented the first money scam, shaving coins to steal tiny bits of precious metal. Crime evolves fast. China became the first civilization to say, "What if money didn't need to be heavy?" They created paper money around the 7th century. It was lighter, faster, and easier. Marco Polo was shocked when he visited China. He wrote, "This emperor makes money from the bark of trees." Meanwhile, Europe said, "No thanks, we'll carry gold for another 800 years. As trade expanded, people feared traveling with gold. Thieves loved merchants. So goldsmiths created deposit receipts, which eventually became banknotes. People could spend more than what they physically owned. Thus, credit, the world's favorite double-edged sword, was born. Every financial boom and every catastrophic crash can be traced to this invention. Today, most money doesn't exist physically. Over 92% of the world's money is digital, numbers on screens floating through servers. Your money is really just an agreement that everyone pretends is real. One glitch, one blackout, and everything changes. Money isn't just currency. It's a story we tell ourselves. A story of trust, fear, power, and survival. From seashells to supercomputers, from stone wheels to crypto wallets, money evolved with us. It shaped civilizations, it built empires, and it destroyed them too. But one truth never changed. Money is only valuable because we believe in it. Welcome to the history of humanity's greatest invention and greatest illusion.